When scraping websites such as job boards and product reviews, some of the data is hidden behind buttons such as load more or show more. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Simple Scraper to scrape such websites. So click on the Simple Scraper extension icon and then choose Scrape Lists. Then click the blue Detect List button and Simple Scraper will automatically find the list of jobs and highlight them in green. Now that we have our list selected, let's move on to Select Navigation. And we're going to choose the Load More button option because we need to click to show more data on this page. Click on Select, and on the web page, find the button that needs to be clicked to show more data, and then click on it. We can see that Selected has turned green, and the CSS selector of the button we just clicked is visible. On the number of pages to navigate, leave it blank to scrape all pages, or you can limit this by entering your own number. If you like Simple Scraper to wait after each time it clicks the button, you can set it here under wait time, but the default of 2 seconds works in most cases. So click on Start Scraping. Simple Scraper will scroll down the page, click Show More, scrape the new jobs. We'll continue to do this until it's scraped all of the data into the table. And here we have our final scrape results. Simple Scraper was able to click through all of the buttons and scrape all of the data on the page. You can download that in your favorite format, or if you want to run this recipe again, choose Save Recipe. You can run that recipe again in the browser or the cloud in seconds.